and welcome. You're watching NewsX and I'm Megha Sharma. Now, we are moving forward to the second most anticipated movement of the elections, the exit polls that predict the outcome of the voting that has taken place in the last few weeks. Now, Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir voting took place in the last 3 weeks and we are at the cusp of finding out the people's mandate. The results will be declared on 8th of October. There are numerous phonologists who have made their predictions. NewsX is putting out the poll of polls and the exit polls, that is a cumulative analysis of the predictions that have been made by various poll agencies. And before that, let's hop across to my colleague Asaveri, who will take us through the numbers that have been the predictions made by the political experts on our shows in the Expertometer segments. Asaveri, over to you.
Thank you so much, Megha. Of course, this is the Expertometer that we held with some of our experts. Let's in fact start off with Gautam Mukherjee. He is a senior journalist and these are the predictions that he has for Haryana. 40 seats for BJP, 30 for Congress and 20 for others. Again, remember, it is a total of there are a total of 90 seats. Halfway mark is 46 and this is what he predicts for Haryana. Let's also take you through some of the prominent candidates this time around, starting with the Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, who is contesting from Ladwa. According to Gautam Mukherjee's predictions, he will be winning this seat. Bhupinder Singh Hooda from the Garhi Sampla Kiloi, he will be winning this seat as per the predictions that has been made by Gautam Mukherjee. We're going to take you through a couple of more prominent leaders that we have for you who are standing in these elections. Dushyant Chautala, the JJP candidate from Uchchana Kalan. According to Gautam Mukherjee, there's a 50-50 chance as far as his winning or losing is concerned. Remember, he in fact did contest last year around and he did win that seat. Let's also now talk about Vinesh Phogat. Again, she is contesting from Jalana. And in fact, according to Gautam Mukherjee, she may perhaps, there is a 50-50 chance for her as well. So there, again, this is what we have for you as far as Haryana is concerned. Again, another prominent name over here, the former Home Minister of Haryana, Anil Vij, he is contesting from Ambala Cant. Probability is that he may perhaps win. This is what Gautam Mukherjee has in fact predicted. Jammu and Kashmir now, according to him, 45 plus seats will go to the BJP, NC and Congress. 15 to 25 seats is what they're going to clinch and others 20 to 30. This is what he has, Gautam Mukherjee has predicted for Jammu and Kashmir. Let's take you to the prominent leaders over here. Ravinder Raina, the BJP candidate from Nowshera. Probability, according to him, is that he may perhaps win this seat. Let's also take you through a couple of more leaders that we have for you over here. Omar Abdullah, he is now of course contesting from Ganderbali. According to Gautam Mukherjee, he will be clinching this seat. We have more names for you. And another prominent leader over here, Iltija Mufti. She is contesting from Brij Bihara and according to Gautam Mukherjee, she may perhaps lose this seat. So again, we've given you an understanding on Gautam Mukherjee's predictions as far as Haryana, as far as Jammu and Kashmir are in fact concerned. Let's also take you through a couple of more experts that we've spoken to. Himanshu Bhatt over here, he is also a senior journalist and let's also talk about him. According to him, 35 seats will go to the BJP, Congress 35 to 40 and in fact others 8 to 10. This is his prediction for Haryana. Let's also take you through in fact the details that we have for you. According to him, Naib Singh Saini will be willing from the Ladwa seat. Let's take you through more details that we have for you and more prominent leaders and the predictions that our experts have made. According to him, Bhupinder Singh Hooda will be winning from the Garhi Sampla Kiloi seat over there. So again, these are the predictions that we have for you. Let's also talk about Dushyant Chautala, the JJP leader. According to him, there's a 50-50 chance for him. He may perhaps win or he may perhaps lose this seat. Talking about a wrestler and now of course a politician, Vinesh Phogat from Jalana. According to him, she is going to be losing this seat. More in fact names we have for you. Anil Vij, Ambala Cant, he's of course contested from Ambala Cant. According to Himanshu Bhatt, he will be winning this seat. So again, we've taken you through the prominent names from Haryana. We're also going to give you more and more details on that front. Let's quickly shift to the next that we have over here for our viewers. Tanvi Pruthi, she's also again, an expert that we have spoken to. According to her predictions, in Haryana, BJP will clinch 15 to 25 seats and in fact Congress 50 to 60 seats. So we see that large number over there, and others perhaps zero is what she has predicted. Let's take you through the leaders that we have in fact spoken to her about. According to her, again, Jammu and Kashmir we have over here, BJP 20 to 25, NC Congress 30 to 40, Jammu and Kashmir BDP 0 to 5 and others 0. Again, it's a 90 member assembly, and these are her predictions as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. According to her, Ravinder Raina, who has contested from Nowshera, will be winning this seat. We're going to take you through the next candidate that we have for you over here as far as Tanvi Pruthi's expertise is concerned. Omar Abdullah Gandeer Bali, he is going to be winning the seat, is the prediction that she has made this time around. Let's take you through more names and leaders that we have over here for you. But again, until then, this is again what Tanvi Purti has predicted as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. Let's also now hop back to Haryana and the predictions that have been made by Sumit Peer, who is a senior political commentator with us. According to him, BJP is going to be clinching 42 to 45 seats, Congress 30 to 35, others nil. So again, these are the predictions that he has made. He thinks that the BJP is going to be doing well in Haryana. Let's also take you through some more details that we have over here for you. Let's now talk about and shift our focus to Jammu and Kashmir, where according to Sumit Peer, 35 plus seats will be backed by BJP, NC Congress 25 plus, JK PDP 10 and others nil. So again, according to him, again, BJP looking good over there with those numbers. Talking about the prominent leaders, Naib Singh Saini, who's contesting from Ladwa, he will be winning is what he has in fact predicted. Let's also take you through Bhupinder Singh Hooda, who's of course contesting from Gari, Sampla, Kiloi. He will also be winning this seat. Also talking about Dushyant Chautala. And let's in fact move across to Haryana. We've spoken to Advocate Chandni Preeti Shah, who's also in fact our expert. BJP 25 to 35, Congress 35 to 45 and others nil is the prediction that she has made for Haryana. So a bigger chunk there perhaps for the Congress is what she is predicting. Let's also take you through some more details that we have for you as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. Her predictions, according to her predictions, 25 to 28 seats will be clinched by the BJP, NC Congress 30 to 32, JK PDP 19 to 20 and others nil is the prediction that she has made. So again, NC Congress there, according to her, in a better position. Let's also take you through some more details that we have for you. But until then, viewers, this is the expertometer that we have conducted with our experts. And these are again some of the predictions that they have shared with us.
Okay, thanks, Asavri. And let's get in